Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my escabeche. So if you want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. To our pot over medium heat, we're going to heat up 1/4 of a cup of avocado oil. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to add 6 garlic cloves, 8 chile de árbol, 1 pound of jalapeños cut into fourths, 1 pound of carrots, 1 head of cauliflower, and 1 large onion. We're going to season with 2 tablespoons of coarse salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of thyme, half a teaspoon of allspice berry, half a teaspoon of coriander, and 5 whole cloves. Going to mix it all together and lightly fry it for about 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, we're going to turn up the heat to high. Here we're going to add 2 cups of white vinegar and 6 cups of water. Going to give it a mix and bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, taste the pickle juice for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to continue simmering for 12 to 15 minutes or depending on how tender you want your vegetables. After 12 minutes, my vegetables are how I like them. So at this point, my escabeche is done. So we're just going to turn it off and allow it to cool down. Okay, and once our escabeche has cooled down, you can get ready to enjoy. Alright guys, so once our escabeche has cooled down, you can place them in a sterilized mason jar. Close it. And if you want them to last you up to a year, you can boil it for 10 minutes. Or just like that, they'll last you in your fridge for 2 months. But now we can get ready to enjoy. Alright you guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. You get to add, whatever vegetables you want to add or how spicy you want it. If you want it more spicy, add chile serranos. But honestly right here, it's super enjoyable, so delicious, and I am so ready. And of course, you can always enjoy it with all of your favorite dishes. I'm just gonna enjoy it with the quesadilla. So cheers and enjoy. It's tender with a little crunch. That's how I like mine. The cauliflower is always my favorite. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I have made my super easy and delicious escabeche. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. And if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.